Today we're going to be making a spray that will help improve the health of your hair and the quantity, the condition of your scalp, all those things to help boost the volume of your hair. As we age, sometimes that diminishes, and most people don't appreciate it. But the majority of people, they would like a little more volume in their hair, a little more of the quantity of their hair. So today we're going to be using some essential oils to create a spray. This is going to be a very simple recipe because all you have to remember is the number 20. So we're going to use 20 drops of each oil, and then we're going to top it off with water. Put it in a little spray bottle. So you can get these bottles on Amazon. You can get them at different essential oil supply stores. We are going to start with frankincense. So frankincense is the king of oils. When you're dropping oils, you want to hold the bottle at a 20-degree angle. That allows air to get back into the bottle. There are some oils that are a little bit thicker, that'll take longer. Some come out really fast. Frankincense is just a wonderful overall oil that works on everything. So it'll help decrease inflammation in your hair follicles, so your hair follicles are a little healthier. Lavender is also calming and soothing, and it will help to decrease any inflammation up there. So we're adding 20 drops of lavender. Tea tree or Melaleuca also is great for any type of skin issue. That one comes out a little bit slower. So they're all a little bit different. Tea tree is great for anything that skin, bumps, scrapes, bruises. It's great antifungal, antibacterial. Copaiba is another oil that is great for overall wellness. It's great for soothing discomfort, calming. It helps with tension. Peppermint is the next oil. Peppermint is invigorating. It helps to open airways and ease respiratory issues. It can be cooling to the skin. So, but it's also invigorating. It's uplifting. So cedarwood is extremely calming, soothing, grounding, and is one that is beneficial for your hair. So we'll add 20 drops of that. This is going to be a little bit thicker oil. Next one we're going to add is Clary Sage. This one is also very great for women's issues at that time of the month. Can calm those discomforts and make that time of the month a little bit better. Rosemary is a fantastic oil for hair growth. I actually put about 30 drops of this in a big bottle of shampoo and mix it up. You can add it just one or two drops to a whatever shampoo for that day too, if somebody wants it and somebody doesn't. But this one is well known for helping to promote healthy hair. Geranium is also another great soother and calmer and great for your hair. And then if you have Hinoki, this was a limited time offer one. So if you have Hinoki, that's also great for hair. So I'm going to add that to it also. I'm just going to put 10 drops in. If you don't have all the oils, use the ones you do have and it will still be beneficial. So you can see my oils are up to about here. And then I'm going to add water to fill it up to about where the bottle starts to constrict. Now I am adding water. Yes, water and oil do not mix. You can see that the oil is up there on top. But if I add a carrier oil and then spray it in my hair is going to get extremely greasy.
Essential oils are volatile chemicals, so whatever isn't absorbed into your system will evaporate. Therefore, your hair will not get greasy.
By adding water, the water will evaporate and it won't dry my hair out. So you just shake it up, spritz it on where your problem areas are or all over on your scalp. I like spraying it all over, getting it way down on the scalp. And then you're going to take a brush or a comb and comb it through. You want to really mix it in on your scalp to get your scalp to respond. And it's not an overnight thing. It does take, I did it for about a month or so, and I'm getting a lot of new little baby hairs in this area that was pretty thin for me. I will try and post a couple before and after pictures of the lady that came up with this recipe. And her hair growth has been phenomenal. What's recommended is to do this morning and evening. If you don't remember it each time, every morning and evening, that's okay. The more you do it, the quicker your hair will get to be healthy. Once you get your oils in there, you want to put a label on here. It can be as fancy or as simple as you like, but you do want to remember what's in here. Otherwise, when you go to make it a second time, you won't know. Unless you come back and watch this video, which is always a good thing. I did want to add one other thing that nutrition does play a huge part in how healthy your hair is. And the Lifelong Vitality vitamins are the best ones I've ever tried. They have a 30-day money-back guarantee if you aren't happy with them. They are a whole food-based supplement. They are loose packed, so when they dissolve, they will dissolve easily in your stomach, so you can get the nutrients out of them. So it's a great supplement. I highly recommend it. Eating a well-balanced diet also will help. We want to do everything we can to have our bodies as healthy as we can. And a vibrant A vibrant head of healthy hair is one way to show that we're healthy. So if you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey because they don't do you any good sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.